Mike.
Cool. Folks, back home, we are doing a lap. MotoGP pace car. Unreal. God is good.
It's all about, isn't it?
Woohoo! Yeah. I don't believe this. Go, Mikey. Yeah.
500.
Yeah. That is.
Come on, faster.
Woo! Wow. Oh, yeah. Brakes, guys. Woohoo. Yeah. Oh, my goodness.
The grip is incredible.
Oh, yeah.
Those are immense.
Woo! Yes! We love it. We love it. We love it. We love it.
Drifting round.
You are the man. Hell of a driver, guys. Hell of a driver.
Oh, this car is amazing.
Nice.
This is cool, man.
Oh my goodness. Driftology.
Yeah.
Fuck it down.
Woo!
Bye bye.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bring it. Yeah, that's it.
Say hi to the fans, guys. Woo!
Oh, brilliant.
Great driving.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.
So what's the damage?